Welcome to Toy Polloi.
Hello and welcome to Toy Polloi. As some of you may know, over the last few years I've been writing a monthly article for Fusion magazine. Well, this year Fusion Retro Books have asked if I would like to write my own annual, and of course I said yes. So today I'm proud to announce the very first Toy Polloi Annual is now available for order. Spread over 116 pages, it features amazing cover art by Tim Latty and Moko Yo, and a double-page photo from the super talented toy with it. There are articles covering a whole range of vintage toy lines, including Action Man, Star Wars, Micronauts, The $6 Million Man, Masters of the Universe, and much, much more. I even take you behind the scenes here at Toy Polloi and show you how I go about fixing toys and creating videos. If you'd like to grab yourself a copy, head on over to the Fusion Kickstarter, a link to which will be in the description below. The annual will also be available via the Fusion Retro Books website later in the year. It's been a lot of work getting the annual written, and I hope you enjoy reading it as much as I've enjoyed writing it. Thanks for your ongoing support, and thanks for watching Toy Polloi.
Thanks for watching Toy Polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow Toy Polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.